Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take a full page screenshot in Chrome so you don't need any plugin. We will use the built-in developer tool. So let's go step by step. Press F12 on your keyboard. So let's do that. F12, just a moment, just like that. Or if you can do that, you can Control Shift plus I, or on Mac you have CMD plus Option plus I. Then press Shift, Control, Shift and P that you open up the command. On the Mac you will press Command Shift and P, or then this small search bar will appear within the developer tools window, and type in screenshot, just like that. Capture area screenshot, capture full size screenshot. So we will select this one. Use the arrow keys or mouse to select capture full size screenshot and press enter, just like that. And Chrome will automatically generate a PNG image, as you can see here. Let me open up a moment, and just like that we made the full page screenshot. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.